Jack & King's premium selected frozen tofu skewers made from pure soybeans. It's suitable for grill, deep frying, and hot pot. Grill. Thaw the frozen tofu skewers at room temperature. Put them on the grill grid and brush both sides with oil and seasonings evenly. Grill both sides for 5 minutes and enjoy straightly. Deep frying. Thaw the frozen tofu skewers at room temperature. Pour oil into a pot and heat it to 356 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the whole skewers into the pot, stir gently in case of being sticky. Deep fry for 4 minutes until the tofu is puffed on both sides. Serve with dipping sauce. It's easy to eat, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside with a mouthful of bean flavor. Jack & King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.